Hello, hello, hello. I am Stephanie Weeks, a loan officer, author of Mortgage Peace, with the sheer determination to help you with anything and everything mortgage education. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate the love. Thank you, thank you. Be sure to hit the like button if you like this video. And if you've come to watch this video to check out whether or not you should refinance your home, hang with me till the end because you've come to the right place. And be sure to click for my checklist, which I will put along with this video as well, to help you determine if you should refinance or not, and some little things you should consider. And it's just good information, I think. So I'll be sure to comment if you have any feedback for me. So you'll hear me say this a ton in my videos, aside from hit the like button. But so you'll hear me say a lot in my videos that every mortgage is case by case. Let me say that again. Every mortgage is case by case. If someone tells you if your rate is dropping 0.5%, you should refinance, absolutely not, unless you've crunched the numbers and gone through your plans, right? And your goals. Or you'll hear somebody say, if your rate doesn't drop by 2%, then you don't even bother refinancing. Absolutely incorrect again, case by case. I've actually had clients over the last 16 years of being a loan officer where the interest rate dropped 3%. You heard that right. 3%, and it did not make sense for them to refinance. Had a client already that was going to drop from around 4.25 to 2.875, and it did not make sense for that refinance. And I've had clients with much smaller spreads in those rates where it made all the sense in the world. So here goes. Here's some of the information that you want to be sure that you consider. What is your current interest rate? How long is your current term? How long have you paid into that current loan? What is your new potential interest rate? What is your new potential term? What is your new potential monthly payment? Is it more? Is it less? What is your cost versus your break even? So, cost, in my opinion, is lender, appraiser, title company, clerk of court. That's your cost, okay? When you're setting up your new escrow account and setting up your prepaid items, you're going to be prepaying those items whether you have a new mortgage or the mortgage that you're in, right? You have taxes and insurances, and they don't stop coming due, and you don't get reprieve no matter how much we want to, right? So I don't consider that a cost. So your cost versus your break even. If your cost is going to be $4,000, and you're saving $100 a month, that would be 40 months break even. So then goes to the next part of what's important. What's your plan with this home? If you're moving in 3 years, nope, no refinance for you. Or at least there should not be a refinance for you. Or let's say that it's a 40-month break even and you plan on living in that home for 10 more years. Well, that could be a substantial savings, because the other thing you want to consider is the long-term savings versus the short-term savings, right? You want to look at every single aspect. Don't get focused on that dangled carrot, that bright, shiny object of a rate that sounds amazing. Make sure it is amazing for your particular situation. You don't want to take steps backward when you're refinancing. You want to take steps forward. You want to save interest. You want to save fees. You want to shorten your term if you can. And sometimes that's not really what you need. You know, had a client last week and she is retired and she said, honey, I don't care if I pay off my home. My kids are going to get the home and the debt, and they're still going to have a ton of equity. So you know what I want to do? I want to have an extra dinner with my friends every month. I want that cheaper payment. I don't care about extending that term. I know the payment's going to be cheaper. I know the rate's going to be cheaper, and that's what's good for me. So again, case by case, what's good for you may not be good for your neighbor. Be educated. Ask questions. Know what you're getting. Don't forget to ask yourself all the questions I've been talking about, and check out my checklist that I'll be providing throughout these videos. Give me a like if you like the video. Leave me a comment if you like the information. I appreciate your feedback. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't mind, and click below for the latest and greatest checklist on should you refinance your home? Do I see a refinance in your future? I don't know. That depends on your exact situation. Be educated. Have a fabulous day.